you may have used in the past, and if not, you're in for a new treat in the way of drill holes. We're now adapted to battery drill, which gives you a portability without leads, and the ability of battery drills today with their power, you can drill holes of many sizes. At the moment we're about to drill a 13mm hole through 10mm plate. We've already drilled a 4mm hole as a pilot, and we're about to commence drilling now. That's how easy it is. Bevan took only a light pressure on that to make it look easier to use, and we have the ability to use smaller drill bits. Even if you go to 16mm, I suggest you drill a quarter the size as a pilot, so that would be 4 to 5mm, and you won't have your drill jam when you're in low gear. Okay, we're about to drill some holes with a mini cutter. First of all, we need to put in a small 4mm drill around about 3mm deep in the plate. So where you've marked out all your holes, you just sit up. That's deep enough. Do another one here. So when we use a mini cutter, it's got a pin that locates to push the slug out. That'll give us a location and stop the cutter from trying to drive across the surface you're drilling. Okay, using the Drillmate mini cutter set, they have a range of cutters from 8mm to 22, and it has an injection pin in the centre. That's why we drilled the 4mm hole in case we get a location. And the old source spot was really good for a bit of cut off material. Up to the surface, pick up the hole, put it in the plate. Here we are. That's a piece of 420 MPa steel, high tensile. We've just drilled a 16mm hole in what, probably a minute or less. Clean, straight hole, easy to use.